Hi, and today we're talking about the Ultimate C Cleanser and Flori Roberts. And we talk about a cleanser that does it all. This is it. It's designed for all skin types. It has some powerful antioxidants, which include vitamin C, which is what is titled, what the name incorporates, but it also has vitamin E. It also incorporates aloe, which we know is a healing agent and helps to make the skin just feel more soothed. And particularly if the skin is a little bit more sensitive, you've got built-in ingredients that are going to help to counteract any potential irritation. Then you've got guacamine, which is really one of the ingredients in here that helps to make that skin more clear. It lightens and brightens the skin. So when you put this cleanser on, it's doing things that are going to help on the immediate, and it's also helping for things that's going to happen for the future of the skin. So how do you use it? You simply put it on. It's a cream, and it really is, and I'm going to just use the flip top so you can see. So that's about all you need. Matter of fact, you probably don't even need that much. So let's just cut that in half. And you basically, on your skin, you would go in circular motions. And if you're wearing makeup, you would use it enough so that the makeup would break down. If the skin is makeup free, you basically just use the cleanser in a circular motion until you have really pampered the skin and you feel like you're ready to either tissue it off for those skins that tend to be a little bit more drier. And then for the combination normal and oily skins, you would simply use water to rinse it off. So either way, you have a cleanser that really does a lot of good when you immediately put it on and taking your, cleansing the skin off with the dirt and the grime and the makeup for the day. But also it leaves behind some powerful ingredients that help to make the skin look better and feel better throughout the day. So let's say if you were tissuing it off, of course, when you're using a Kleenex, and again, this would be a process or a step that you would use for the skin that would be more normal and dry. And particularly right now, during this season where it's a little bit cooler, a drier skin is going to enjoy the benefit of really just leaving the products, the ingredients, the vitamin C and the E and the guacamine and the masatake extract that is in here, and as well as the aloe, that's going to leave that skin feeling very hydrated, wherein your oilier skins or your more combination skins will appreciate not having as much of the hydration left, but just feeling just a little bit moist, but yet very, kind of squeaky clean. So either way, you've got a product that is going to do everything that needs to be done when it comes to cleansing, hydrating, also removing dirt and makeup. So the Ultimate C Cleanser is one that you absolutely, even in the midst of COVID-19, you want to make sure that you are sampling the cleanser to people that maybe have never used it before, and just simply get you a sample container, something as small as this, just enough to give them a preview of what this big bottle is going to do for them when they decide that they're going to support you as a small business owner. So the Ultimate C Cleanser is absolutely a must-have in your skincare regime, and it can be coupled. Let's say that you've got a customer that, or you yourself, have different times, maybe your skin goes through periods of time where you break out. There may be an occasion where you want to use this cleanser maybe for daytime, and you could use another cleanser at night or vice versa. But this is a cleanser that certainly could be used both day and night for all skin types. Just remember that you've got an option and an alternative in terms of how you're going to remove it. You can use water or you can tissue it off. Either way, this is a must-have for cleansing and for taking care of your skin. So go out there and share the Ultimate C Cleanser with everyone you know. Make it a great day.